Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to link your Facebook account and Instagram account. So let's begin. So here we are in our Instagram app. So make sure that you have your account logged in, the account that you want to connect to your Facebook. So make sure it's logged in right here on your Instagram app. And the same goes for your Facebook account right here. So make sure that the Facebook account that you want to connect to your Instagram account is logged in right here. So for this example, we'll do this in Facebook, but you can also do this in Instagram. And the process is fairly the same. You want to go into your menu at the bottom right and then go into your settings of your phone and go into settings right here. So once you're here, you want to go into the account center of Meta. So you want to tap on it. And then from here, you can already see the add more accounts button right here. So you want to tap on that. And once you tap on that, you would automatically see this option because Meta would automatically detect your Instagram and Facebook account that is unconnected to any account. So you can have the option just like this one to continue. So once you continue, then you would be able to link it. But if you press here on not you right here, then you would need to provide another account and you need to log in right here if you want to connect it here in your account. But in this case, since we have it logged in my IG, then we can just proceed without any issues. So from here, let's go into continue and continue again. Yes, finish adding just like this one right here. And now we will be successfully adding our Facebook, or we'll be linking our Facebook and Instagram. As you can see, we now have two profiles right here. And you can also have the option to add more accounts. So you can just be limited to Facebook and Instagram. You can add more accounts if you want. But yeah, you can just sign in right here by tapping on add account and go and tap continue right here. And that's basically it on how you can add or link your Facebook with Instagram. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.